Hello guys, welcome to Makaut Smashers. Today we begin our journey into the programming for problem solving with the first chapter, Introduction to Programming. So, programming is the foundation of computer science, enabling us to give the instruction to a computer and solve the real world problems efficiently. In this video, we will explore how programming has evolved, understand the role of compilers and interpreters, and learn about the program structure. We will also introduce the Integrated Development Environment (IDE) to simplify the coding. So by the end of this video, you will know how to write, compile and debug a simple program. So whether you are a complete beginner or looking to strengthen your basics, this video is for you. So stay with me till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. So let's get started on our programming journey. At first, evolution and fundamentals of programming. Programming has evolved significantly from machine level coding to modern high level languages. The early computers required programmers to write the code in the binary format, zeros and ones, which was very difficult and error prone. Assembly language made this easier by introducing the mnemonics, but it was still hardware dependent. The invention of high level languages like the C, Python, and Java allowed the programmers to write human readable code that could run on different machines. Today, programming plays a vital role in automation, AI, and web development. So, understanding the fundamentals such as syntax, variables, and logic is essential to becoming a proficient programmer. Programming is not just about writing codes, it's about solving the problems in efficient, structured way. So now the basics of compilers, interpreters and assemblers. Programming languages need a way to convert the human readable code into the machine code. This is done using compilers, interpreters and assembler. A compiler, it translates an entire high level program into the machine code before execution, making it faster like the C, C++. Okay. So interpreter. An interpreter translates the code line by line, executing it immediately but running slower like the Python, JavaScript, etc. And assembler converts the assembly language instruction into the machine code. Each approach has advantages like compilers optimize for speed while interpreters offer the flexibility for debugging. So choosing the right tool depends on the programming languages and you can say the application. So lots of topics are there. You can prefer the Remat Rejas Programming in C Fundamentals books. So now program structure, input, processing and output. Every program follows a basic structure, this type of IPO. The input phase gathers data from users, files or other sources, and the processing phase involves computation, logic and decision making based on the input, and the output phase displays the result either on the screen or in the files. A well structured program ensures the efficiency and readability. Understanding the IPO is crucial for writing the effective programs in any language, you can say. For example, in a simple addition program, the user inputs two numbers, the program processes them and the output displays the sum. So mastering the IPO here means input, processing and outputs. It helps in writing clear, logical and maintainable code. Okay. So introduction to Integrated Development Environment. IDE provide a complete coding environment that simplifies the writing, testing and debugging programs. Popular IDEs like the CodeBlock, Dev C++, PyCharm, the VS Code offer the features such as syntax highlighting, auto-completion, error detection. So instead of writing the code in the basic text editor, IDEs allow programmers to manage the files, debug efficiently and integrate the tools for project development. Beginners should start with a lightweighted IDE that support their chosen programming language. So using an IDE, it improves the productivity and makes the coding processes smoother. So now writing, compiling and debugging a simple program. So writing a program involves defining its logic, choosing the right syntax, and structure the code efficiently. In a language like the C, the first program is usually hello world. So after writing the code, it must be compiled into machine code using a compiler. If the error exists, debugging is required to find and fix them. Debugging tools help to identify the syntax errors, logical mistakes, and runtime errors. By understanding these processes, beginners can write, execute, and troubleshoot the programs effectively. So, programming is not just a skill that improves with practice. So, regular coding exercises are essential. So, let's wrap up our first chapter on Introduction to Programming. Today, we explored how programming has evolved, the role of the compilers and interpreters, and the structure of a basic program. We also discussed the IDEs and the steps to write, compile, and debug the code. This is just the beginning. That's a lot more to learn as we dive deeper into the programming concept. So in the next video, we will explore the arithmetic expressions and precedence, a fundamental topic for programming solving in the coding. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Makaut Smasher for more insightful content. If you have any question, drop them in the comments below. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. And we will share the Google Drive link of the Rematherajas C book. Okay, so you can check the description box also, and we will share the notes in the video.